Hi students, good morning. So, social in 8th lesson, our environment is completed. Yes or no? So, now we are completing our fair notes and fill up in textbook. So, all are open your textbook and your social fair note. So, write. Okay? So, what is our 8th lesson name? Yes, our 8th lesson name is what? Our environment. Yes or no? So, look, first bit is what? Yes, answer the following questions. First bit is what? Answer the following questions. So, first question is what? What is meant by environment? So, say, what is meant by environment? Yes, environment means the surroundings in which we live. Once again, I am repeating. Environment means the surroundings in which we live. So second question. Second question is what? What happens if our environment is dirty? Say, what happens if our environment is dirty? Yes, if environment is dirty, it will spoil our health and cause various diseases. Once again I am repeating. If environment is dirty, it will spoil our health and cause various diseases. Okay. Next, third question. What is third question? What is pollution? So say, what is pollution? As air, water and food materials become dirty, the surrounding is dirty. It's called pollution. Once again I am repeating. Air, water and food materials become dirty. The surrounding is dirty. It's called pollution. So students, third question is completed now? No? Fourth question. So what is fourth question? S. What is air pollution? So say, what is air pollution? S. Answer is what? Air pollution means making the air impure and unhealthy. What is the meaning of air pollution? Yes, air pollution means making the air impure and unhealthy. Okay. Now fifth question. So fifth question is what? Yes, what is water pollution? So say, what is water pollution? Yes, when water is made dirty, it is called water pollution. So say, when water is made dirty, it is called water pollution. So students, after complete your fair note, just to fill up these answers on your textbook. Okay? First bit completed now? No? Second bit. So look at second bit. Second bit is what? S. Fill in the blanks. Second bit is what? Fill in the blanks. So first one. We can be dash only if we keep our surroundings clean. So say, yes, we can be healthy only if we keep our surroundings clean. So healthy spelling is what? S-H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. So second one. Man makes the air dash. Man makes the air dash. S. Man make the air impure. So impure spelling I-M-P-U-R-E. Impure. Next one. Third one. Dash from factories and industries cause air pollution. S. Smoke. Smoke spelling is what? S-M-O-K-E. Smoke from factories and industries cause air pollution. Next one. Fourth one. Drinking water should be free from dash. Yes. Drinking water should be free from germs. So germ spelling is what? G-E-R-M-S. Germs. Next, fifth one. Water is polluted. Water is dash in many ways. Yes. Water is polluted in many ways. So polluted spelling is what? P-O-L-L-U-E-D. Polluted. 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 Water is polluted many ways. So, as this fill in the blanks. Write in your fair notes. After complete your fair notes, open your textbook, page number 154, just to fill up these answers in your textbook. Okay? So students, second bit completed, no? No? Third bit. So what is our third bit? Yes, third bit is state whether the following statements are correct or not. Put right against the correct statement and put wrong against the wrong ones. So that means true or false, or wrong or right. So first one, we can leave alone. So say we can leave alone. No, we cannot leave alone. So first statement is wrong. So that what we keep is we keeping is wrong. Okay. Next one. Second one. We should not use public toilets or urinals. This is correct statements. No, we should be use public toilets and urinals. So this statement also wrong. So keep wrong symbol. Okay. Next, third one. We need fresh air for good health. Yes. We need fresh air for good health. Yes. So we need fresh air for good health. So that means statement is correct. Next one. Fourth one is what? Drinking water should be free from germs. Yes or no? Drinking water should be free from germs. Yes, drinking water should be free from germs only. So that statement is correct. Next one. Fifth one. Sewage water pollutes river water. Say yes, sewage water is polluted river water. That means this statement is correct. So third bit also completed, no? So as it is, write this third bit on your fair notes. Out of complete your fair notes, just to tick right or wrong in your textbook. So textbook page number is 154. Okay. Third bit is also completed, no? No. Fourth bit. So fourth bit is what? Yes, match the following. So match the following in two columns are there, no? First A column, second one B column. So first column in which options are there? Yes, first one is hospital, germs, second one is germs, third one is smoke, fourth one is sewage, fifth one is health. B column in which options are there? Yes, diseases, water pollution, pure water and air, and D one is public place, is air pollution. So look at, so we fill up, we match the correct one. So first one, hospital. Yes, hospital is a public place. That means D, hospital is a public place. So option is what? Answer is what? D. Next one, germs. So germs means S. Germs make diseases. So first one is, second one is what? A. So write the answer is A. Third one is what? Smoke. Smoke means what? S. Smoke means air pollution. So option is what? E. Option is what? E. Okay. Next one, sewage. Sewage means what? S. Water pollution. Sewage means what? Water pollution. So option is what? S. B. So option is what? B. Next, fifth one is what? Health. Health means what? When we are drinking pure water, our health is very good. So option is what? C. So our environment lesson question answers and fair note is also now completed. So all are open your textbook. Just to open your textbook, page number 153 and 154. Just to fill up these all answers, okay, on your textbook. Okay. Thank you.